Welcome to J&J Construction Build Your Own Basement program. We developed this unique program in 2007 to help homeowners get a quality basement finish done at a fraction of the price. The Build Your Own Basement program consists of 3 phases. Phase 1 is completely run by us. We provide the building permit, do the framing, install the plumbing, electric, and code-required HVAC. Phase 1 also includes all the plumbing fixtures to include the tub, shower, toilet, sink, and faucet. Phase 2 is when you take over with full support from us. We provide you with a detailed schedule that we've developed over the past decade. In addition, we'll provide you with a full list of every vendor you'll ever need to install the flooring, do the painting, and install the trim and vanities. You have the choice to use our recommended vendors, use your own vendors, or do part of the work yourself. This is where the savings are generated. Because you are paying the vendors for the finishes directly, your costs are lower. The average savings on our Build Your Own Basement program ranges between 30 to 40% compared to our top 3 Google-listed competitors. Phase 3 is then completely done by us and is included in the Phase 1 pricing. At the completion of Phase 2, we come back and hang all the lights, install all the plugs and switches on the walls, and install all of your plumbing fixtures. After final inspection, your new basement is complete at a fraction of the average basement finishing cost. Have a basement that needs finishing? Call us today for a free analysis and custom 3D basement design of your very own Build Your Own Basement project.